Is this the best projector you need in 2026? The HY300 Projector has become a very popular budget option for people who want a home cinema experience without spending a lot of money. It's small, portable, easy to set up, and designed for casual users who want to watch movies, series, or videos on a big screen without complicated installations. One of the first things to understand about the HY300 is its image quality. The projector has a native resolution of 720p, even though many sellers advertise it as 108op or even 4K. It's important to be clear. It can accept and decode higher resolution signals, but the real output remains HD. For movies, YouTube, and streaming content, the image is decent, but it will not be as sharp as a true Full HD or 4K projector. The HY300 uses an LCD display with an LED light source. Its brightness is suitable mainly for dark or low-light rooms. In a bedroom or at night, the picture looks good, but during the day or with lights on, colors can look washed out. This is normal for projectors in this price range. The LED lamp is rated for tens of thousands of hours, which means you can use it for years without worrying about replacing the light source. A big advantage of the HY300 is that it comes with Android built in, usually Android 11 depending on the model. This means you can connect it to Wi-Fi and use apps like YouTube, Netflix, and other streaming platforms directly on the projector. You don't necessarily need an external device like a Chromecast or Fire Stick, which makes the setup very simple and beginner-friendly. The interface is basic but easy to navigate, and the remote control lets you adjust focus, settings, and apps quickly. Performance is good enough for streaming videos, but it's not as fast as a modern smart TV. You may notice small delays when opening apps or switching menus, especially if multiple apps are running in the background. Sound quality is another area where expectations matter. The built-in speaker is okay for casual viewing, but it's not powerful or immersive. For a better experience, the HY300 supports Bluetooth, allowing you to connect external speakers or headphones. This makes a big difference for movies and gaming. Screen mirroring is also supported, so you can project content from your phone or laptop. This is useful for presentations, photos, or videos that you don't want to open through Android apps. However, the HY300 is not perfect. Like many low-cost projectors, quality can vary between units. Some users report smooth performance, while others experience bugs, app crashes, or image issues over time. Software updates and long-term support are limited, and some apps may stop working correctly in the future due to Android compatibility changes. So, is the HY300 the best projector you need in 2026? The answer depends on your expectations. If you're looking for an affordable, portable projector for movie nights, casual gaming, travel, or a second screen at home, the HY300 offers very good value for the price. It's easy to use, flexible, and does what it promises at a basic level. But if you want high brightness, sharp image quality, accurate colors, and long-term reliability, then you'll need to invest in a more expensive projector from a well-known brand. In conclusion, the HY300 is a solid entry-level projector. It's not a replacement for a professional home theater system, but for many people in 2026, it can be more than enough. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And tell me what matters more to you in a projector: price, image quality, or smart features.